आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, our question is let PQ be a chord of the parabola y square is equals to 4x. A circle drawn with PQ as a diameter passes through the vertex V of the parabola. If area of the triangle PVQ is equal to 20 square unit, then the coordinates of P is we have to find. First we'll draw the figure. So this is our axis. Now first we'll draw the parabola, that is y square is equals to 4x. This is the parabola opening the right side. So suppose this is my parabola, y square is equals to 4x. That is y square is equals to 4x. Now it is saying that PQ as a diameter, first of all PQ be a chord of the circle. So this is, let this be the chord of the circle. So the chord of this parabola, PQ be a chord of the parabola, that is P, this point be P and this point be Q. Now we have to draw a circle taking PQ as the diameter. So it means that our circle should pass something like this. So it should this is our circle, PQ as the diameter, and this point be V, that is 0, 0. Now triangle PVQ, so means this point, this and this point. This is the triangle PVQ whose area is given to us now. Now from here you can see that first we will find the slope of PV, and this angle will be 90 degree. Now this coordinate will be t square comma 2t, because we know that this is 80 square comma 280, but here a is equals to 1, so this is t square comma 2t. So now first we find the slope of PV. So slope of PV, so there y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, so this will be 2t minus 0 upon t square minus 0, means this is 2 upon t, that is slope of PV. So from here we can identify slope of VQ. So slope of VQ, as these are perpendicular, so m1 into m2 minus 1, so this will be minus of t upon 2. Now we can write equation of VQ, passing point is 0, so this is y is equals to minus tx upon 2. Now you can see that this equation VQ also passes through the parabola, this point, so this will also means this point Q lies on the parabola and the line VQ as well. So we will find the point P, this point Q. So parabola is y square is equals to 4x. So from here what we get, that this is t square, x square upon 4 is equals to 4x. So from here what we get, that this is x is equals to 16 upon t square. So x is equals to 16 upon t square, so putting this value here, so we get y is equals to minus 8 upon t. So this is the coordinate of point Q, that is 16 by t square comma minus 8 upon t. Now we have got this coordinate. Now we will find the area using half base into height. So that is area of triangle PQV, this is given as 20, that is half of PV into half of PQ. So we will apply the distance formula. So this is first of all PV into PQ is equals to 40. So PV distance, this is 2t, coordinates are 2t square comma 2t. This is t square minus 0 whole square plus 2t minus 0 whole square plus PQ, 16 upon t square, 16 upon t square minus 0 whole square plus minus 8 upon t minus 0 whole square is equals to 40. Now this is square root. This is, I have used the distance formula. So from here, this is t square plus 4t square. So this is multiply. This is multiply, and this will be 256 upon t power 4. 256 upon t power 4 plus 64 upon t square upon t square, and this is under root, and this is also under root, is equals to 40. Now squaring both the sides, this is t square plus 4 will also be t power 4. So taking t square common, this will be cancelled out t square. So this is t square plus 4, and this will be 256 upon t square plus 64 is equals to 1600. Now we need to solve this. So this will be 256 plus 64 t square plus 4 into 256 upon t square plus 256 is equals to 1600. So now from here further solving, this will be 16 plus 4t square plus 64 upon t square plus 16 is equals to 100. Now this will be 16t square plus 4t power 4 plus 64 plus 16t square is equals to 100 t square. Now shifting this 100t square to right hand side, so this becomes 4t4 minus 68t square plus 64 is equals to 0. So this is t power 4 minus 17t square plus 16 is equals to 0. Now we need to find the factors. So this is t square minus 1 and t square minus 16. So from here what we get? T is equals to plus minus 1 and t is equals to plus minus 4. So coordinates will be, P point is t square comma 2t. This only we have to find. So this is 1 comma 2 because this is 2t, and 1 comma minus 2. This is 16 comma 8 because t square, and this is 16 comma minus 8. So this only we have to find. This is our answer. Coordinates of P. This only we have to find. We have to coordinates of P. So these 4 are the coordinates of P. So this is our answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।